Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what plug your keyboard uses and why that matters. USB-A and USB-C follow different pinouts, while 3.5 is analog. Once done, inspect the cable visually and gently flex near the connector to find weak spots. Make sure to power off the computer and unplug everything. Then gather a small screwdriver, a multimeter for continuity tests, and a matching replacement plug so you can test and swap without guessing. You now open the connector housing or remove the damaged plug, working methodically to avoid nicking wires. Next, use the multimeter to test continuity from cable conductors to any remaining plug fragments so you can map ground and data pins. This step prevents miswiring. Once identified, strip about 3 to 5 mm of insulation, twist and tin each conductor to make reliable solder joints or crimp connections. Make sure to label or photograph color-to-pin assignments before proceeding. You solder or crimp each tinned conductor to the replacement plug following the mapped pinout. Do this with steady hands to avoid bridging adjacent pins. Once joints cool, insulate with appropriately sized heat shrink and restore or add strain relief to prevent future breaks. Before plugging into your computer, recheck continuity and shorts with the multimeter. Then connect and confirm keyboard keys register. If keys fail or there's intermittent input, check for cold solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.